Hola! Today we're making a really easy, delicious and warm meal that you can have anytime in the winter. It's called Arroz a lo pobre or poor man's rice. It's called like that because you basically make it with anything you have at hand, and this is something that they used in Spain in times after the war. So, if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description below. First of all, I'm going to grab some garlic cloves and I'm going to crush them like that and peel them. I cut them, not very small, because I'm going to have the assistance of this little grinder to prepare my garlic. Now we move on to the onion. We cut it small. It's going to be part of our sofrito or mixed vegetables that we're gonna fry. Now I'm using a little bit of mushrooms because I really like their flavor and they are in season. And I had them laying around in the fridge. Now I'm gonna grab a carrot, I peel it, slice it, and cut it very small. As you can see, I'm getting all sorts of vegetables to make it very colorful, tasty, and nutritious. Now I have some green and red peppers, but once again, whatever you have at hand works. I cut them in small bits. And that's ready. Yet another colorful ingredient for our delicious rice. So let's move on to the kitchen. Set the fire a bit medium-high to start frying the garlic. This takes 30 seconds approximately. Don't let it burn. This is just to infuse the oil. Now we add the onion, mix it all together. And once it's nice and soft and it's released some of its juices, that's when we add some vegetables. First of all, the pepper, and we repeat the same step, mixing it all together. Now the carrot. Mix it all together again. And now our mushroom, which will release quite a lot of liquid. Now I'm gonna put the lid to speed up the process. Again, the fire has to be low, and now it's nice and soft is when I'm adding the tomato sauce. Now I'm gonna put the rice, 1 cup of rice, mix it all together. And something that works very well with this rice is tuna, because you always have a can laying around in the house. A little dash of lemon, salt at taste, and black pepper. Now a little tip, you don't want your paprika to burn, so you're gonna add it last and you're gonna dilute it into this glass of water. This way it will not burn and it will give it the nice touch you're after. Mix it all together immediately. And now, as we added 1 cup of rice, we're gonna add 3 cups of water. And at the same time, I'm gonna have a couple of eggs boiling. Now let's see, the eggs must be boiled by now, so we're gonna take them out. As you can see, you need to have these a bit watery. That's what the recipe is like, not too mushy. Now let's mix it all together. We can see that the rice is well cooked. So we're gonna let it rest with the fire off and the lid on. Now our rice is ready. Looks delicious. Something I love adding is a little bit of balsamic morena vinegar. Just a dash of it. And now a bit of extra black pepper. Now let's see how it turned out. Smells delicious and oh, it tastes wonderful. I'm gonna take another spoonful. That's gorgeous. Wonderful. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.